Do you want to earn money while you sleep? In 2025, passive income is easier to achieve than ever, even if you're a complete beginner. With the right strategies, you can build income streams that require little to no daily effort. Instead of trading time for money, you can create digital assets that generate revenue long after they're set up. In this guide, I'll show you the top 3 passive income ideas that will work in 2025 and how you can get started today. The first and most powerful passive income idea is selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital items don't require inventory, shipping, or storage. Once created, they can sell indefinitely with little to no maintenance. Some of the best digital products to sell include ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, stock photos, and design assets. These products are in high demand as more people turn to digital solutions for learning, business, and entertainment. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable allow you to upload and sell digital products automatically. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory make it easy to create high-quality content. You can write an ebook using ChatGPT in hours, design printable planners with Canva, or create an online course with Teachable. Once listed, sales can happen 24/7 without requiring additional work. Digital products are one of the most scalable passive income streams, with many people making thousands of dollars per month. Another great passive income idea is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You don't need to create products, just recommend existing ones. Companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs that pay commissions on every sale. The key to success is evergreen content that attracts traffic over time. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media. You can write product reviews, create how-to guides, or share recommendations. AI-powered tools like Surfer SEO and Jasper AI help generate SEO-optimized content that ranks on Google, bringing in visitors ready to buy. Many affiliate marketers earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month by promoting high-ticket products that offer commissions of $50 or more per sale. The third passive income idea is YouTube automation. You don't need to appear on camera or record your own voice to make money on YouTube. AI tools like Pictory ElevenLabs and Canva allow you to create faceless videos on trending topics. YouTube videos can continue earning ad revenue for years after they're uploaded, making this a great long-term income stream. To get started, pick a niche with high ad revenue potential, such as finance, tech, or self-improvement. AI tools can generate scripts, edit videos, and add voiceovers, making the process almost fully automated. Many YouTube automation channels make $3,000 to $10,000 per month with minimal work after setup. The key is to post consistently and optimize videos for YouTube's algorithm. Once a video gains traction, it can generate passive income through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. The best part about passive income in 2025 is that automation and AI allow you to work smarter, not harder. Whether you choose to sell digital products, do affiliate marketing, or start a faceless YouTube channel, the key is to take action. Many people hesitate, but the sooner you begin, the sooner you can create financial freedom. If you're serious about building a passive income stream, pick one idea, start today, and let AI and automation do the work for you. The opportunities are endless, and those who take action now will be the ones profiting the most in the years to come.